What's going on, my friends? Welcome to another episode of Drone Maverick. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to show you the mistake that I made with my drone where I did something dumb. If your mini quad is suddenly going into a tailspin right at takeoff, I'm going to show you exactly what to do to fix that. So let's get into it. So once we're in Betaflight, let's go over to the configuration tab and you'll see that this motor direction is reversed. Go ahead, hit that little button, save and reboot, and that should take care of your problem. So here's the weird thing. This diagram right here is saying the motors are spinning in this direction, which is correct. My drone is actually spinning in the direction that Betaflight is now saying. But when I had the motor reversed, they were still spinning in the same direction as this one. I don't know, Betaflight just had a little glitch in it or something, but that was the reason why it was going into a weird tailspin, and that is how I got my finger totally slashed up. It's because I assumed that it was going to take off like normal, and it didn't. So whenever you do a firmware update, you want to have the drone on the ground and then take off and see if anything changes. Especially like if you're tuning your rates, you don't want to have that thing in your hand. You want to know that it's going to take off safely. Now that you know how to fix the problem, be sure to be very careful as you test this out. Alright guys, so with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it to be helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. My name is Ricky Burrows, you're watching Drone Maverick, and I'll see you on the next video.